Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time na hindi tayo nakagawa ng vlog. And I believe you saw my previous video or previous vlog. Nag-harvest tayo ng bayabas sa ating backyard and ito yung ating harvest. Part of it ay nakain na natin sa kwan habang nasa puno tayo. But for today's vlog, magmumukbang tayo ng bayabas. But of course, trivia about guavas. Alam nyo ba na ang bayabas originated sa Central America? Maraming bayabas dito sa ating bansa, sa ating lugar, pero guavas originated from Central America. Green or yellow natin makikita pag pwede na siyang makain. And it is amazingly rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, potassium, and fiber. That's why there's a lot of health benefits na makukuha natin sa pagkain ng bayabas. Yan. So yun nga guys, magmumukbang tayo ng bayabas. Eto siya. Hindi ko alam kung ilang bayabas to, but titignan natin kung ilan ang ating makakain for the whole duration of our vlog. Meron tayong vinegar na may hinalong sili. Pwede rin nating isalsa dito sa asin na may sili. Pakita ko pala sa inyo guys. Naglalaway na naman kayo dyan. Yan. So all in all, ito yung ating imumukbang. So siguro habang tayo ay nagmumukbang, i-discuss muna natin along the line ng mga ibang health benefits ng bayabas. So i-set lang natin yung timer and then we will see kung ilang minutes natin pwedeng kainin ito. But for the members of Team Patusok who would like to take this as a challenge, pwede naman. So let's start eating all of this kung kakayanin natin. Yan. Hinugasan ko na yan kanina. Yan. Let's start. Ito kayo. Kita nyo. Malalaki siya guys. Alam nyo ba guys na yung leaves ng guavas ay pwedeng gawing herbal tea. Ginagawang herbal tea yung yung dahon ng bayabas. Matamis siya guys kasi native na bayabas to. Sabi daw sa research, edible yung kanyang seeds. So kung kaya mong kainin yung kanyang maliliit na buto, you may do so. No one is prohibiting you to eat the seeds of the guavas. Matamis. Kung gusto mong magmukbang ng fruits, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Kung may mga tanim ka sa inyong paligid, just go there and harvest it. Overripe na to. Ayan o. Hindi na natin kakainin yan. Ito yung kakainin natin, yung na Ilocano, daringadangan. Wow, sarap. As I was saying, yung bayabas, yung leaf extract ng guava ay ginagawang supplement. Because this is rich in vitamin C, antioxidant, potassium, and fiber. And one of the health benefits of guavas is it lowers down your blood sugar level. Because of the presence of antioxidants and vitamin C in guavas. Matamis. Ang tamis. Pwedeng gataan ito guys. Nakakain na kayo ng yung bayabas na ginataan with kahoy, yung kasaba. Gagataan mo yun, sobrang sarap. Kaso lang, I wasn't able to do it because madaming process and we don't have so much time to do it because one-man army production lang po tayo. So yun nga guys. So aside from nilo-lower down yung blood sugar level ng bayabas ang binuboost din niya yung health ng ating puso. Yan. Binuboost niya yung health ng ating heart because of the presence of potassium and fiber in guava. Sa mga babae dyan na pag nagbi-menstruation is may nararamdamang pain, pwedeng gamot itong guava. And according to the research, magpakulo ka ng yung dahon ng bayabas and then drink it as a herbal tea every day. Inumin mo. Ubus na kaya natin to gabi ngayon. Yung malaki para yan. Yung digestive system pala ninyo, by eating guavas, it will benefit your digestive system. Sabi doon sa research, by eating guavas, it will prevent or reduce diarrhea or constipation. Do not talk while your mouth is full. So again, by eating guavas, it will prevent or reduce diarrhea or constipation. Nakakapagpaganda din daw ito ng kwan daw guys, skin. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng flawless skin, eat guavas. Weight loss, yung mga nagpapapayat dyan, it will aid you in reducing your weight loss. It has an anti-cancer effect. Anti-cancer effect because of the presence of antioxidants and vitamin C in guavas. By the way guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. And of course, do not forget the notification bell. Paki-push na rin so that updated po kayo pag may mga bago tayong uploads. Okay. At this point in time, I would like to make a very loud shout out to the members and compositions of Timpatusok. There's small YouTubers out there. Mega love, shout out. You know guys, if I eat fruits with vitamin C's, I usually sweat. I usually sweat a lot. Look. That just to show that you are healthy. Sabi nila. One more. And one more. It's very big. By eating bayabas, it will also boost your immune system. It will boost your immune system. Actually guys, lahat naman yata na fruits na may vitamin C, andun yung health benefits na binuboost niya yung ating immune system. Meaning, malayo tayo sa mga sakit. So, ito guys, yun lang ang ating nakayanan. And I think that's about it. Busog na po tayo. Yun lang ang ating nakayanan. Although kaya pa nating ubusin to, but then again, we have a work tomorrow. And thank you so much for joining me in this mukbang edition of our vlog. Hanggang sa muli. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.